Trees, silent witnesses to the passage of time, right? But what if I told you that buried in these rings are secrets that go beyond just the age of the tree? Ancient tree rings hold clues to some of the biggest mysteries of the universe, from climate change to solar activity, and even cosmic events. Stick around as we explore how these natural timekeepers are helping us unlock the secrets of the universe. First, let's break down what tree rings are. Each year, a tree adds a new layer of growth, creating a ring. These rings, also called growth rings, can tell us a lot about the tree's age and the environmental conditions it faced during its life. Wider rings mean the tree grew well that year, while narrower rings indicate tougher conditions like drought or cold. Now, imagine this. If we study these rings from ancient trees, we get a timeline of past events stretching back thousands of years. But that's not all. These rings can reveal more than just local weather patterns. They hold cosmic secrets too. Did you know that tree rings can also track solar activity? The sun goes through cycles of activity, which affects the amount of radiation hitting Earth. During periods of intense solar activity, we get more cosmic rays hitting the planet. And guess what? That radiation gets absorbed by the atmosphere and shows up in tree rings as increased levels of carbon-14, a radioactive isotope. So, by studying the amount of carbon-14 in tree rings, scientists can reconstruct solar activity over thousands of years. This helps us understand how the sun's behavior impacts the Earth's climate, and even how solar storms might have affected ancient civilizations. Tree rings are one of the best ways to track historical climate change. The rings provide a record of past temperature and precipitation patterns, allowing scientists to build a climate history that stretches back far beyond written records. Take the Little Ice Age, for example, a period from the 14th to 19th century when global temperatures were cooler. By studying tree rings from that era, scientists were able to confirm that the colder temperatures led to shorter growing seasons, resulting in narrow rings. In fact, some tree ring studies have shown that today's warming trends are unprecedented in the past 1,200 years. But wait, it gets even crazier. Tree rings can also reveal evidence of ancient volcanic eruptions. When a massive eruption occurs, ash and sulfur are thrown into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and causing a temporary drop in global temperatures. This leads to slower tree growth, which shows up as narrower rings during those years. One famous example is the eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815, which led to the year without a summer in 1816. Tree ring studies from around the world show narrow rings during this period, confirming the global impact of the volcanic winter. It's like trees have been keeping a secret diary of Earth's disasters all along. And if you think that's amazing, wait until you hear this. Tree rings might even hold clues to cosmic events like gamma-ray bursts and supernovae. In 774 AD, there was a sudden spike in carbon-14 levels in tree rings around the world, indicating that Earth was hit by an intense burst of cosmic radiation. Scientists still aren't sure what caused this event, but the leading theories include a massive solar storm or even a supernova explosion nearby. It's incredible to think that something happening light years away could leave a fingerprint right here on Earth, hidden in the rings of ancient trees. So, how do scientists unlock these secrets? They use a method called Dendrochronology, which is the study of tree rings. By taking core samples from living trees or even ancient timbers preserved in bogs and glaciers, they can analyze the ring patterns to build a detailed timeline of past events. Each sample is like a puzzle piece, and when you put them together, you get a continuous record that stretches back thousands of years. It's like decoding the Earth's history, one ring at a time. So why should we care about tree rings and their secrets? Because they provide us with invaluable data about Earth's climate, the sun's activity, and even cosmic events that have shaped life on our planet. By studying tree rings, we can better understand how our world has changed over millennia and how it might change in the future. Trees are more than just beautiful, they're nature's historians. So next time you see an ancient tree, remember, it might just be holding the secrets of the universe. If you found this journey fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible insights into the natural world. Thanks for watching.